So next we're going to talk about your espresso grinders. And here we have a home espresso grinder. And how it works is you got your hopper right here where you put the beans in, feeds down to where the coffee is ground, which spits it out into the dosing chamber. On the right-hand side here, I have a lever to pull the coffee out of the dosing chamber. And it'll drop down into the portafilter, and you have the rest for the portafilter here. And on the right-hand side here as well, I have the switch to turn on the espresso. How you adjust for your espresso shots is, as marked here, counterclockwise is more fine. You just turn this for more fine, and clockwise is more coarse. How that affects the espresso shot is the finer the coffee is, the more resistance that it creates for the water while the water is passing through during the extraction process. So the finer your coffee grind is, the slower or longer the espresso shot is going to take, and the more coarse that the coffee is, the faster the shot's going to pull, the shorter the shot's going to be, or whatever. So that's how you adjust it on one of these grinders. If you have a smaller home grinder like this one here, then you're just going to throw your beans in and start grinding the coffee. And the only way you have to adjust the coarseness of the grind in one of these grinders is by the length of time that you grind the beans. One of the guidelines I've heard for that is about 20 seconds, and it might be more than that. You're going to be grinding considerably longer than you would for your home coffee, and making the coffee considerably finer than you would for drip coffee.